It's Friday, it's noon, 12 Eastern Standard Time. This is Festool Live, right?
Yeah, baby!
All right. This is episode 741.
177.
235. Minnie, am I live? Here we go. Let's introduce the room. Everybody, it's Christine. She's a Soundboard Queen, and Minnie is the Whiteboard Queen. Behind the camera, we have Chris, the unit, Cybert, and yours truly. I say it every single time. It's because of you. This is what we do. We love you. Have a great weekend. We'll see you when we see you. That's a wrap.